everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. Today we're going to learn how to use le in a sentence. Le is one of the most vital auxiliary words in Chinese, and it is also widely used in oral and written Chinese. But le grammar could be one of the trickiest aspects of learning Chinese. So in this lesson, I will teach you the common usage of le and the frequent mistakes that often occurred when you use it. So actually, this character have two pronunciations. One is le, which we used a lot. Another one is liao. So I will explain individually.
First, usage of le. The most basic use of le particle is in specific set structures. This is also the easiest way for learners to understand. There are tons of examples in this category, and I will give you the most common ones. 太 adjective 了 今天太热了今天太热了 adjective 急了 adjective 死了 They share the same meaning, but the degree deepen. 今天热极了今天热极了今天热死了今天热死了最 adjective 了我爸爸最帅了我爸爸最帅了我妈妈最美了我妈妈最美了别 adverb add 了别睡了别睡了The second usage of le. This kind of le is used to indicate a new situation or change of state. It is used to draw attention to the fact that the situation now is different compared to before. In English, it might be expressed with now or it is now the case. And it is only used at the end of the sentence. So we also call this le is the sentence le. For example, 他是大人了他是大人了水凉了水凉了宝宝会走了宝宝会走了我不抽烟了我不抽烟了The third usage of le. This kind of le is used to indicate that an action is completed, and it has nothing to do with the tense. So I will give you few examples of past tense and the future tense, which we used a lot in. First, past tense examples. Verb add 了。他们吃了。他们吃了。Verb add noun add 了。他们吃晚饭了。他们吃晚饭了。Before they ate noodles. 他们吃面条了。他们吃面条了。Number and measure word add noun. 2碗面条。2碗面条。2碗面条。So, if we have a number and measure word before the noun, we put this combination after 了。他们吃了2碗面条。他们吃了2碗面条。他买了3瓶可乐。他买了3瓶可乐。他画了1个太阳。他画了1个太阳。他抽了4根烟。他抽了4根烟。He has smoked 4 cigarettes. He is still smoking. At this time, we put another 了 at the end of the sentence. That is the sentence 了 means the action continues. 他抽了4根烟了。他抽了4根烟了。他唱了10首歌了。他唱了10首歌了。他做了4个菜了。他做了4个菜了。Let's see the examples of future tense. Verb add 了。你到了，给我打电话。你到了，给我打电话。Verb add 了 add noun. 你到了北京，给我打电话。你到了北京，给我打电话。我们到了路口，左转。我们到了路口，左转。Okay, so much for the usage of 了. Now let's see 了. The usage of liao can be summarized as the verbal complement. The meaning is completely different from 了. It's attached to verbs and used to indicate the potential for an action to be successfully done or not. For example, if the action successfully done is verb add 得 add 了. If it's failed, is verb add 不 add 了.他吃得了，他吃得了。他吃不了，他吃不了。We planned to go to the park, but now we can't go. 我们去不了，我们去不了。我们去不了公园，我们去不了公园。If we change the situation, like when we start to go to the park, it was sunny day. But after a few minutes or few hours, it started to rain. So the situation changed. We need to put a sentence 了 at the end of the sentence. We can't go to the park now. 我们去不了公园了。我们去不了公园了。Okay, this is the situation we put 了 and 了 in the same sentence. So much for the usage of 了 and 了. The usage of 了 is more complex. So here's some frequent mistakes that foreign learners often made when they use 了. First one. 常常, 经常 means often. 总是 means always. For example, 以前我常常去图书馆了。This is the wrong sentence. The right sentence is 以前我常常去图书馆。打算，打算 means plan, to plan. 我打算去意大利了，但是 This is the wrong sentence. The right one is 我打算去意大利，但是我起了床，穿好了衣服，打开了门，走了出去。It's wrong. The right sentence is 我起床，穿好衣服，打开门，走了出去。我看看手表了。It's the wrong sentence. The right sentence is 我看了看手表。我看了看手表。
Okay, so much for today's lesson. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me. You can email me or leave the comments down here. and I will answer every question. Okay, so much for this lesson. I'll see you next time. Bye!